What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Balisong video. Today is going to be a very informal video. I'm getting the idea from Balisong Flipping. I've seen his channel just explode in the last few days, and he has this very casual approach to his videos, and I think that has been appealing to a lot of viewers, and he's found his audience very quickly. And so I just kind of wanted to make a video similar to that and see what would happen. So I actually have no idea what I want to talk about. I do later in the video want to go over this combo right here. Starting safe handle, you go over index. Oh, I'm gonna redo that. And that's a combo I do all the time. You'll see me throw it in. You can bring it into a thumb chaplain. But there's so many cool little tricks that I should create tutorials for. And I remember seeing somebody in one of my last videos said, could you make a tutorial on this part you did at like 50 seconds in or something? And it was this trick right here, which looks really cool because your hand kind of does this that cool motion, and you can end it in any way that you want. You can put it in the middle of combos super easily. So I'll do that at the end of the video though. But for right now, I want to talk about maybe some more niche things in the community. Like, actually no, let's talk about going viral. So the idea of like virality, especially in the Balisong community, is make a cool video, it gets a ton of views, and it just blows up. And most of the time it's a live blade, and most of the time it's someone not even doing something super crazy, but it is maybe hits the algorithm at the right time, or someone does like a single cool trick, or it was filmed really well, or I don't know. Most of the people that do get into butterfly knife flipping, including myself, got into it because we saw a clip that was most likely more viral than average clips, and we grabbed our first Bali and we got into it. Try to stop dropping it as much. But I remember some of the first clips that got me into Balisong were from Seiji and Joff. The more I got into it, of course. But like, Seiji and Joff, and then I remember when I did get into it, some from Nicholas Entropy, I think is his Instagram handle. Really great flipper. Actually met him in person, really nice guy too. I think he's sponsored by Squid. Him and Jer Bear. But those guys were kind of like the OGs, and you'd see a lot of their clips floating around. Flip Zone was a very viral flipper. He wasn't the most technical, but he had a very good like base of flipping knowledge, and he could execute tricks in in a cool way. He definitely had an interesting style. Whoa. Next time I do one of these, might be in a couple days, I want to talk about trainers versus live blade. I don't think there's any way to end the debate, but I do believe that there are some points that most people don't bring up when they talk about either or. And I don't think that one side is correct over the other. See, I flip, right now I'm flipping a trainer. I only flip this Nautilus because of how it flips. If there was a live variant of the Nautilus, I wouldn't, I'd be flipping it. I'd have probably 3 of them actually. Because it's so good. So the big reason that you'll see me flipping the Nautilus all the time is just because of how it flips. But there you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let's go over that combo real quick, and then I'll see you guys in the next one. So, starting on the safe handle, you do an overhand index rollover and catch it after it's done, one rotation. So, like that. And it'll stop in between there. You'll have your pointer finger and your middle finger on the safe handle. Now, as you go around, you'll catch it like this. You then want to bring the bite handle and close it around your middle finger. So the first 2 parts are like that. I'll show that one more time. Easy, right? Now, when I say easy, I have over 1,000 hours of flipping butterfly knives. So it is easy to me now, will become easy to you if you put in the time and the practice. So keep that in mind. I just say easy because I already have a grasp on the trick. And once you do, you will think the same way. So, safe handle, over, out, and over. So you're starting overhand, underhand, overhand, underhand, overhand, underhand. I got a little ahead of myself there, so I'll break that down even more. Safe handle, over, over, break, over, that way again. And then you have it in this position right here. So you've done a little bit of transfer action in between all of your fingers. Boom, boom. And you're gonna do the same thing, bringing it overhand and spinning it in that same direction. If you notice, this whole trick seems like it goes in the same direction, so you're always going counterclockwise. You're always going counterclockwise with Balisong, but you're actually going counterclockwise, clockwise, counterclockwise, clockwise, counterclockwise when you finish it. But from the top, you're always going the same direction. But every time you make a move, it's every time you make a move, you change directions. So, again, we start over, go over, under, flick back, flick back to the middle finger, and then from here is the part where you do 1 rotation around your middle finger, 2 either the thumb chaplains, which you can then put into an aerial and catch and end, or you can do once you do the whole thing, you put it into middle finger into a thumb chaplain, and then finish it off and do kind of whatever combo you want. Or you could do it straight into another index rollover and then continue on with your combo. No, it's a super cool trick, and I do feel bad for not going over it earlier, but cheers, guys. That is definitely a more advanced combo, as it includes many rollovers, twists, and chaplains at the very end. So next time we'll talk about trainers versus live blades, what place each has in the community, and yeah, we'll go from there. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a good one. My name is Benji, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.